Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a nice relaxing hamstring stretch to relax your legs, because so far we've been training hard. What do we need to do? We need to stretch those legs to make sure that we're not super stiff. So the first one we're going to do is get your legs in this position. If this seems too difficult, bring your leg in like this. All right. So what you're going to do, keeping your leg as it is, firstly, you're going to lean into the middle and make sure that your back is nice and straight. We're not arching like this. No, we're leaning forward at the hips. All right. So deep breath in and out. Every time you exhale or inhale, bring yourself down a little bit lower. That's it. Exhale and lean into that stretch. Now we're going to walk over to your leg and we're going to lean towards that leg. Same thing, grab onto your shin, grab onto your ankle. You're going to take a deep breath in and exhale. Lean forward even more on every exhale. Now bring it back to center. Same thing one more time. Breathe in. Keep your foot up. And back to the leg. As long as you're feeling that stretch in your hamstring, that's great. If you can't keep your knee straight, keep it bent and just lean forward towards that leg. Okay, we're going to switch legs. So same thing on the other side. So legs like so. Bring it into the middle first. I've got to be really careful with this hamstring, and if you have pulled your muscles or anything like that, obviously if it's fresh, you don't want to be stretching that pulled muscle. I've had this injury for about 3 months now, so I'm slowly starting to reintroduce stretches back into my routine, but it's very important to not do anything that's uncomfortable. So as you can see on this leg, I can't go that low because that muscle that I pulled is pulling, and I don't want to do something that's gonna make the healing of the muscle any worse. It is very hot today. I'm sweating, just stretching over here. Bring it to that leg. Same thing on the leg. Can't really reach that far on this leg.
Music licensing reimagined.
And back to the middle. Just do whatever feels good for that muscle.
Artlist.io.
Now what I want us to do is sit on our bottom, extend one leg, and in this position, we're gonna lean forward towards that leg. Again, leaning forward at the hips, not arching your back. One more deep breath. And we're gonna switch legs. Loads of dog hair stuck to my legs. So as you can see on this one, I can hardly go as low as on the other one.
Music licensing reimagined.
And one last stretch, which isn't really for your hamstrings, but more for your hips and your hip flexors and your glute, is the pigeon stretch. But this is a great stretch for your hips. It just feels so good, and it's good to do this every day. Get your hips, make sure you're not leaning to the side. No, 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 that quad of the back leg is facing down, it's touching the floor, and you're feeling that stretch all the way here in that glute. Come down as low as you can, chest to the floor.
Music licensing reimagined.
One more time. And let's switch legs. Same thing on this leg. Keep your hips square. I tend to just wiggle my hips a little bit up and down, just to make the stretch a little bit more dynamic.
Music licensing reimagined.
And relax. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this 5-minute beginner stretch. Obviously, I've got plenty other videos on the channel. Like this video, subscribe. If you have any suggestions for any other 5-10 minute workout ideas, let me know. I'll do those for you. But for now, I'll see you in the next video.